Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Billie Eilish. We're going to draw a version of Billie Eilish, the Green Roots Billie from Fortnite. So I'm going to go up here at the top. I'm going to draw sort of hair in buns, head here, and then sort of like in a Billie Eilish pose with the shorts and the big old boots there. So let's go to the top. I'm going to go right up to the center here. In the middle, just put a dot there, right? That's going to be the top of where the hair goes. And I'm going to just draw two little areas where the parting is. So just a nice little curve around this way and a little curve sort of goes around this way. Next, I'm just going to pop the little bunches in. So these sort of tower up and bunch out at the end. So they're kind of like curved round. So just put a few little sort of curved elements in, sort of going up. Then they kind of bunch out at the end. And for that, I'm just going to sort of just draw a little sort of bunched, rounded area like that. It looks like a little cloud. Just do the one on the right. Nice, okay. Got those in there. What I'm going to do now is sort of work out the rest of the hair. The hairline comes down this way. Just draw a little sort of just wonky line down. That's like the hairline. Then we've got the fringe that comes right down. I'm going to pop that in now. So I'm going to do the right part. Curve it out from that parting down like this. From there, just going to come inwards and then go down as well. Just wave it in to a little point at the end. In the middle here, there's a little piece of hair that goes down the center. So I'm just going to just sort of pop that in there, around like that. Then there's a larger piece that goes down this way. From the center again, pop your pen out, come round and then curve it down like that. Take it in the middle there, curve it down to the point at the end there. A couple of little straggly bits of hair coming down here. A couple of curves, like little pointed bits. Makes a big difference. There's a little bit of hair going either side here and an ear. So I'm just going to put an ear about this point. Just a little ear, maybe just a hint of the inner part of the ear. Piece of hair sort of curves around the back there. Just going to give a little hint of that. And then from this point, I'm just going to come downwards and meet up to the ear. This side, from that bunch, just bring your pen down that way there, okay? Now I've got the outer of the hair, the longer fringe part. I can now look at doing the face. The chin is about here. Just put a little like curve there, that point there. And then from that, I'm just going to work up a nice little curve up that side and a curve up there for facial features. Now what I can do is work out the rest of Billie Eilish's face. We've got a nose in here, so just a little sort of curve in there. We've got that sort of those pouty lips underneath, so I'm just going to pop those in. Little full lips there. And then what I'm going to do is sort of look at the brows. So one eyebrow going this way, sort of diagonally up that way, and the other one sort of hidden between these two bits there, so just a little diagonal there. Now I've got those in, let's look at the eyes. A little oval below the eyebrow here, like that, and one here. And then we're just going to give a hint underneath, little oval hint like that. And then just pop in a bit of the pupil sort of looking over this way. Just like that. A little hint of a bridge of a nose, maybe just here. Just a hint. I think that's enough, that's all I need to do for the facial features. Okay, next on the Green Roots skin, I've got like a big old oversized t-shirt and shorts. The arms sort of coming down this way, and the other one's hand on hip there. So from the edge here, I'm going to come out and draw the shoulders. So like I say, a big old chunky t-shirt from that piece of the hair there, come outwards this way. Shoulders about there, come outwards that way. Sort of around here is the inner part of the arm. Draw a line down there. Then I'm just going to meet that up. Nice curve around there. Just going to band it a little bit for detail. On the other side, I'm going to come out this way to about this point. So again, I'm going to come out from this point here. Shoulder area's there, and then it kind of curves down this way, out to there. And then I think we'll curve around. It's going to be a nice curve. It comes around here. Okay, the elbow sort of goes there, and we're going to sort of draw in the forearm here in a minute. But first of all, I'm going to go from about this point down to about here and draw the outer part of the t-shirt. From there, come down like that. Then I'm going to come around this point here. The hand on the other side is here, forearm and hand there. So from this point here to there. So I'm just going to mark it there. And then what I can do is just try and just join those points up. Just come downwards, nice little curve. Meet it up like that. Give it a little band as well. Along there. Can't really see the point on that point. What I might do is just give a hint of that there. Okay, got that big oversized t-shirt on. Let's do the arm here first of all. This is the nice easy bit. Forearm comes down this way. So from this point here, nice curve down like that. That's all we've got to do. And then a hint of the hand. So the hand kind of comes out here, and then behind it, sort of just a couple of hints of fingers. There's a ring on that finger there, so I'm just going to do a little circle and bring that in like that. That's all I've got to do. Just gives that a nice impression of a hand. And down this way, forearm to hand, just sort of hanging down. So I'm going to, from this point, about there, come downwards to the wrist, bring it out where the thumb is and down like that. And on this side, forearm sort of starts here, just come in where the wrist is, and then we'll come outwards, just sort of give a hint of fingers there, little ring on that one, and then we just go in like that, just give a hint of a thumb. I think that works really well. Now we've got the legs, so we've got shorts to draw in first. So on this side, from about this point, I'm going to come downwards like that, curve it around. Big old chunky shorts there. Let's go up there. Then we can come downwards this side, just bring your pen down, curve it around, and then just go up to that hand we just drawn. There we go. Let's look at the legs. The legs are coming down this way to boots here. Let's look at this leg on the right hand side. So we're going to come down, the boot sort of starts here. So on this side, I'm just going to draw the leg, the knee's about here, the shin's about there, down to there. And on this side, sort of comes out thigh sort of here, come inwards to the knee, and then it comes outwards where the calf is and down like that. There's a sock sort of pulled up here. On this skin, it's a green sock, so I'm just going to pop a little sock in with a band there. Then let's draw the other leg down to here. So it sort of comes out here, down to there. Start on the outer part. Thighs about here, come in where the knee is, and we'll come out again where the calf is, and then bring it downwards to the boot area. The inner part probably starts about here, come inwards to the knee, just come out a little bit and then taper it in at the end there. Again, there's a sock. Just draw a nice curve, an additional bit there, give the impression of socks. And then here and here we're going to draw the boots, big old chunky boots. On the Green Roots Billie skin, it's all green. So I'm going to draw the tongue here first. Just a little curve around there. And then the edge of the boots either side, just curve it around and taper it in. Come in sort of this way where the ankle would be. Then we can come downwards. Come out where the ball of the foot is to the toes. around like that, back in and up. You can just put a little hint of the sole area there, maybe the edge of the boot is there. Then we can just put in some chunky laces. So I'm just going to just pop in some little hints, just some little lines there that make it look like there's chunky laces going on around here. On this side I'm going to draw the same sort of thing again. And come down to about this point here. So first of all, draw that nice chunky tongue on the boot. Then either side of that, just curve it around. Come inwards where the ankle area would be. Then we come outwards, around here, around like that, and join it up. Again, I'm just gonna do a very similar thing. Just draw around there. Maybe the top of the sort of front of the boot is there. And we'll give a nice hint of some laces going on around here. We don't have to draw them fully in, just that nice little loose hint of laces makes a big difference. Just adds a like nice bit of dynamic look to our picture. Okay, we're almost there. Just got a missing gap here. We've got the neck to pop in, so I'm just gonna draw in a little neck area here. And there's a lot of sort of chains around Billie Eilish's neck. Like a nice little squirrel cross up here. Just gonna give a hint of that going on. And then some chains around, sort of join up around here. So again, I'm gonna be quite loose. Just give a nice hint of some chains going on. So like a chunky one around here. That sort of goes up all the way around here and around here. And there's a little join here with the neck. That's all we need to do. Just gives that impression that there's a bit of jewelry going on. Now, just want to add a little bit more detail. The t-shirt's got like loads of like graffiti, sort of BE, Billie Eilish, like the little logo. So I'm gonna draw a little person logo first of all. Little head here. Then we got a couple of arms going on, like that. Just fill that head in a bit more. Fill those arms in like that, and then kind of comes down the middle here. And then we've got two legs, one leg there, and one leg about there. Then underneath that sort of says Billie Eilish. So I'm gonna write that in. Little arrow going on. Another little Billie underneath, all in bubble writing, so I'm just gonna sort of give a hint of this. We don't need to be too precise because just the sum of its parts now start looking. That little cross area in there. There's another little Billie here. Just gotta sort of draw in a few little hints of it saying Billie. We've got that bit in the centre, so it's quite nice now. We can just sort of be a bit looser. It sort of says Eilish down here. Sort of write that in. It's all written in different sort of texts and things like that. So Billie up here. And then Eilish. A few little bits going off the side here. Another B over here, an arrow. Nice little hints. Just adds a lot to our picture now. There's a cool little BE here, so we can be really loose with this. It's all good. Just draw a nice little circle around there. Another cool little arrow going on here. And just a hint maybe on the edges there. I don't want to do too much to detract from the rest of the picture. Another little circle there and a B. It's a pretty cool top. Just a few things going on up here. Just a hint of that. I think that's cool. A little bit more on the shorts. So there's a little Billie Eilish here. So let's write that in. Put the arrow in. A few little bits of graffiti sort of style around here. Just a hint around that point. Then as we get to the socks, maybe just sort of draw some little lines up, just to make it look like socks. And then just with the hair, I think I might just on the top here, just bunch it out a little bit. And just show this sort of bunching to that point. Then the hair goes from green to black here, so what I will do here is just sort of fill in these darker areas. Nice blacks with sort of, yeah, it makes it look like it's sort of changing over. The top areas are here are pretty black as well, so maybe just on this side here I'll just sort of fill them in black. I don't want to lose too much of the texture, but it is quite nice having a little bit of ink area in. Okay, maybe with the shorts I'll just sort of add a little sort of cut into the edge there, maybe a little hint of a knee going on either side there. And then, you know what, I think I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think we're good with that. I'll leave it as it is. And there we go. That is the Billie Eilish Green Roots Billie skin from Fortnite. Hope you like what you see. Let me know who else to draw in the comments, and we'll keep on going. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.